Hey, what's going on, guys? Sterling the Investor here. And in today's video, we're going to talk about what you would do or what you should do if you lose your job tomorrow, and do you have a plan? So that's the question of the day. Do you have a plan if you were to lose your job tomorrow, right? Do you have money saved? Do you have money put up at least 6 to 12 months for savings? Do you have a list of companies that's within the industry that you have experience for, that you apply for immediately after getting let go? Do you have a certification that you have in mind that you want to, start in order to increase your skill set and re-enter the marketplace, the job marketplace? Do you have contacts and a network that you can call and say, hey man, do you know of any positions open? Can you put in a good word for me? Can you hook me up? Do you have these things in place? Do you have credit lines available just in case that, unemployment time goes a little bit longer than you anticipated? Do you have credit lines that you can tap into as a last resort if you lose all of your money, if you spend all of your money and you're out of cash? Do you have that as just a last resort that you can use to survive? So those are questions that you want to ask yourself. So I'd encourage all of you guys, if you haven't already came up with a plan in the event that you lose your employment tomorrow, do those things. Start saving at least 6 to 12 months living expenses. Make a list of at least 5 to 10 companies that's within the industry that you have experience in that you can apply to right after getting let go. Think of a certification that's within your industry that you can get to make yourself more marketable to re-enter the workforce. Start building a network if you don't have one already. Get at least 3 to 5 people that you can call to maybe put a good word in for you or that can help get you a job. And last, get some credit lines and have them available. Don't max them out. Don't get them to buy stupid stuff. Get them to have as a last resort in the event that you run out of cash, that you can tap into those lines in order to survive. I hope this video helps you guys and you found the information helpful. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out.